So this is mango colada. It's from my husband's repertoire. So it's mangoes, ripe mangoes with coconut, freshly picked coconut. Yes, and you can see it's all in there. It's not strained, and it's really good. So mangoes and coconuts. These are stringy mangoes and coconut, freshly picked and blended. So it's both ingredients blended, and it's really good. Mango Colada by David. Mango Colada by Farmer D. Farmer D. Mango Colada. Thank you so much, honey. It's great. And it's nutritious too, as mangoes are nutritious along with coconut. It's a superfood, as coconut is a superfood. Yes, it's full of fiber, especially that the coconuts are in it. So yes, definitely enjoy it. And it's good to have it chilled. Very nice chilled. So more power to you, honey. More power, honey. Enjoy. Try it and let us know how you like it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.